Having a well-maintained lawn is the pride of any homeowner. But what happens when your lawn sprinkler system starts giving you trouble? In this video, we will discuss some of the most common lawn sprinkler problems and guide you on how to fix them. So let's get started. One of the most frustrating lawn sprinkler problems is low water pressure. This can lead to uneven watering and dry patches on your lawn. To fix this, first, check your sprinkler heads for any clogs or debris. Clean them if necessary. Next, make sure your main water valve is fully open. If the problem still persists, you may need to contact a professional for further assistance. Leaking sprinkler heads not only waste water but can also damage your lawn. If you notice any leakages, first, turn off the water supply to the sprinkler system. Then, inspect the sprinkler heads for any cracks or broken seals. Replace any damaged parts and ensure they are properly tightened. If the problem persists, consider consulting a professional to fix the issue. Uneven watering can result in patches of overwatering and underwatering, leading to an unhealthy lawn. To address this issue, first, check if the sprinkler nozzles are properly adjusted. Make sure they are spraying water evenly across the lawn. If necessary, clean or replace clogged nozzles. Additionally, consider installing sprinkler heads with adjustable patterns to ensure proper coverage. If a specific zone of your lawn is not receiving water, the problem may lie with the control valves. Start by checking the valve box to ensure all the valves are in the proper position. If a valve is stuck or not functioning correctly, clean or replace it. If the issue persists, it's recommended to consult with a professional to accurately diagnose and fix the problem. Maintaining a healthy lawn requires a properly functioning sprinkler system. By addressing these common lawn sprinkler problems, you can ensure your lawn stays lush and green. Remember, if you're unsure about any repairs, it's always best to seek professional assistance. Thank you for watching this video.